Hello there, Nick here. Do you ever want to do a tutorial video or some presentation video for your colleges like this? Very cool, right? Well, you know what? You have come to the right place because I'm going to teach you guys how to do this on your Android device. So hey guys, this is the app you need to download, which I will leave a link to download in the description down below so you guys can check it out by yourself. It's called VideoScribe, so you guys go download it, and yep, I will go straight into it. And you can press whatever that is up there, and you can press the picture button, and you can press this, the auction buttons. Okay, so there is so much types of the picture you can choose to draw with, such as call out, business, for people also can. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use this, just like engaging more fans to the YouTube community. So yep, I will put it right there, and you can also type on this little icon here. And you can set the animate time, which you want to be shorter or longer. You can set, yes. And there is the hand section below there. You can choose whatever hand you want. Yep, just to animate things up. You can adjust it left hand or whatever hand you want, and just like this, yes. And yeah, so many types of it. There are 6 types of it. Yep. Okay, so for now I will choose the right hand part. And yep. Okay, so let me test this out. You press the play button on the top right hand corner, and it will auto draw it. Yep, pretty cool, right? Yep, this is that easy. Yep, this is that easy. And what you also can do is you guys can press the top left corner arrow and press the key, the text, just to make it more simpler. Like I'm typing your voices just to like engage more fans, and you can adjust it and like this, and you can draw it, and you also will draw the words out, which is pretty cool, you know. Yep. And yeah, just like that easy. And if you guys want to record down this, I recommend you use the screen recorder to record down, because this app doesn't support exportations, which is very sad to know. Yeah, but yeah, this is pretty much like it, and I will show you guys how to edit this. Okay, so guys, I have just imported my video on the video editor. Yep. So what you need to do right now is just play it, and okay, just like crop it a little bit. Okay, so when you are here, you'll be annoyed by the blue bar below, right? So what you need to do is press the left here, and press the first one, and choose white. Yep. And press on right hand side here, and press this one. As you guys can see, it blocks all of the view. Yep. And what you need to do right now is adjust it to the size you want, just not too over, and press OK. And for me, I need to do another one too, because my home screen bar cannot be hidden. Yeah, so yep, I will choose on the right hand side, and yep, I will crop it. Just make sure it's not too over. So just drag it to the end, and you're done. Yep. And you can just import my video. You can just import your intro, and yep, have your video be like this, and there we go. You have successfully made a whiteboard animation for yourself. So if you guys like this tutorial, be sure to give me a like, and be sure to subscribe or share it to your friends, because this may help your friends out who are in colleges, who are tutorial YouTubers. So yep, I hope this video helps you. If this video really helps you, please sure to share it on social media. So thank you guys so much for watching. I can thanks you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial video. Goodbye.